Hello, welcome to Lou Cookbook. Today I will show you a simple way to pan fry fresh green beans. This recipe does not involve boiling or blanching, so you keep a maximum of its nutrients. First, you need to wash it clean under cool running water to remove any pesticide residue. Then trim both ends. Now, heat the pan hot on medium heat, add vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil as long as you don't heat it to its smoke point. Add the green beans. Gently stir for a couple minutes or until the color turns bright green and is sizzling. Now, sprinkle salt, black pepper, and ground garlic powder and mix them well. And stir for a couple minutes. Now, lower down heat to between medium and low. Cover it up and let it cook for about 15 more minutes. Check periodically and stir gently so to make sure the green beans don't get burned. I usually check 2 to 3 times in between. I want to emphasize this. Depending on your stove, you might need to adjust the heat to make sure it doesn't get burned. Optionally, if you prefer it tasted crunchy, you can turn up the heat to medium and let it sizzle for a couple more minutes. That's it. Dish out and enjoy the green beans. I encourage you to try this simple recipe and tell us how you like it. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook.